4S? What are they, 4000s?
HRB 4 cells aren't that good.
No, that's not. How old is it though?
Like 2. Still, this battery is the same age and it's like brand new.
I'll go chase one of them, so we'll see. Nate, save battery.
BBs or something? You can't dogfight?
Save battery so I can chase you. A-18. Baby fate. Ugh. I'll go over to where Mikey is.
Take off flaps.
So, do an escort pass and I'll catch up with you.
Timer cleared. Gear up. Flaps up.
So Nate, I'm going to pull up right here, middle of the runway. Okay, Nate, after your pass, doing a downwind. Wait till we're done, because it's too hella noisy. Okay, I'll follow you. Yeah, come on.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
Downwind pass. Go. Okay, I'm coming in. Yeah. Not really. Well, we're down.
So I've been having some issues with my DX9.
Like what?
Yeah. Yeah, go ahead. I'm going last, because it's the loudest.
What's the issues with your DX9?
So we registered my radio, and then like 2 days after, it just said it's not registered and won't accept the registration.
You got to talk to them about that. I don't know what that is. If it's a programming thing, I can help with that, but...
That's not programming.
Does it still work?
It still works fine.
Just not registered?
No, it's just when I turn off, it keeps saying register radio.
Oh.